Welcome to the Volza tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about the left-hand side filters and the data fields available while performing any search in Volza. Let's start by selecting the data for a particular country. Click on the search option. Let's take Vietnam as an example. We'll select Vietnam export. Choose the duration, and then select the search field criteria. Once you click on search option, the data appears. You'll notice a set of filters on the left-hand side. These filters help you narrow down your search. Let's go through each one of them step by step. First is the remove to order and NA company consignees and shipper. In some shipments, consignees or shippers choose not to disclose their names and appear as to order or NA company. By turning on this toggle, you can exclude such entries and focus on more refined data. If you want to focus on a specific shipper, simply select the shipper name from the list and click on Apply to see the relevant shipments. Next up is the Refine by Product. This filter helps you refine data based on product descriptions. Standard Unit Filter allows you to analyze shipments based on specific units. You can select the unit, set a range, and check the results accordingly. Next is the Country of Destination here. You can view all the destination countries where exports are going. Simply select a country to see the shipments associated with it. If you want to analyze the data month-wise, you can use the month filter and select a particular month to review shipments for that specific duration. Now let's move on to understand the data fields. These are the data fields available in this section. With the help of these fields, you can analyze each shipment in detail and gain meaningful insights. Let's go through them one by one. First one is the date. This field shows the filing date of the shipment, that is, the date when the shipment was officially recorded. Next is the HS code and HS product description. With the help of description of goods in Vietnamese language, you can find the description of goods written in the Vietnamese language, which helps in understanding the data in its native format. Next field is product description. This is the general product description provided in the shipment record. Shipper in Vietnamese is used for local reference. Next fields is the shipper name. It shows the name of the exporter or supplier, shipper. Standard quantity, standard unit, and standard unit rate are the values calculated by Volza to make data analysis easier. Here you can find quantity, unit, unit rate, FOB value. These are the invoice values. Next is the country of destination, port of origin, and port of destination. These fields shows the countries and ports associated with the shipment. Next, there are shipper details mentioned. This section contains the complete address details of the shipper, including shipper address, shipper city, and state, shipper postal code, PIN, shipper phone number. Next up, here you can find the consignee details. In the bill of lading column, you can check the bill of lading, BL number, which is a unique reference document for that shipment. Lastly, there is Incoterms column, which shows the Incoterms used in the shipment, such as FOB, CEF, or EXW, which define the responsibilities of the buyer and seller in terms of shipping, insurance, and risk. That's all about the left-hand side filters and data fields. Thank you for watching. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the left side filters and data fields and how they help in analyzing shipment information effectively. Now, if you need more in-depth training, we've got you covered. Go to the home page, locate for schedule a walkthrough option. Select a convenient date and time for your training session. Once that's done, enter your first name and last name. Then, fill out other details like your business email. Then enter your mobile number and the topics you need assistance with. Once you have filled in all the information, click on Schedule Appointment. Woohoo, there you have it. You're all set for your detailed training session. Thank you for watching this Volza tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to explore all the features.